Let me show you how to fix YouTube trending if it's not showing. Even if it doesn't show up on your app or youtube.com, I'll show you some places where you can find it anyway. Now, first open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, and you used to be able to go to the top left and see an option for trending. They've been discontinuing this and phasing it out. However, you can always try to check youtube.com to see if it pops up on youtube.com. Again, you can check to see if trending shows up. However, as I said, they are discontinuing this feature, but trending does show up in other options as well. One option is to go into the hype category and you can see top 100 hyped videos. And you can go through here. Keep in mind, these are all small channels that show up, but they've been hyped by a lot of people. It's updated every 5 minutes, but you can also go back here and you can go to things like sports. You can see within sports, it does now say trending within that category. So I can hit view all and see all of the most trending sports videos. Again, just go through this list and essentially go to the different categories, whether you like gaming, news, sports, fashion and beauty, etc. You'll be able to see the trending issues or videos in that category.